Gone are the days when you had to sacrifice looks for the sake of performance, or vice versa. NZXT Kraken 360 RGB not only does look great, but it also performs really well, giving you the best of both worlds. RGB? Check. LCD screen? Check. Acoustics? Check. NZXT Kraken 360 RGB ticks all of the boxes with ease. Let's dive deeper to explore them. Starting off with the box and included accessories, the cooler comes with everything you're going to need. Sockets for various chipsets are included with the exception of AMD Threadripper, which it also supports. Along with sockets and cables, it comes with an RGB controller that's used to control the RGB lighting and effects of the fans via the NZXT Cam software. The cooler also comes with three 120mm f120 RGB core fans from NZXT, so it doesn't cheap out there either. Moving on to the design, the cooler is minimal but quite pleasing in looks. It comes in two different colors, matte white and matte black. The pump features an embedded LCD screen that can be customized to show various details via the Cam software. That said, the LCD screen doesn't cover the entirety of the pump, at least not this variant. NZXT offers a Kraken Elite option where the LCD screen is slightly larger, taking up all of the area. As for the radiator, it's made of aluminum with braided nylon tubes that make for a worry-free installation. In terms of performance, the Kraken 360 is an absolute cooling solution. Under extended gaming sessions, the average temperature stays well within 65 degrees Celsius on games that are more CPU intensive, like Cyberpunk 2077. Not only that, it's able to match the performance of the ROG Ryujin 360 at a lower price, while also offering better AMD support and a much nicer looking LCD screen. Additionally, the fans offer an impressive lifespan of 6 years, or around 60,000 hours. The acoustics are also pretty nice, as you're unable to hear the fans up to 1,600 RPM. However, anything higher than that makes it more audible, with quite apparent noise at the max speed of 2,800 RPM. For installation, the cooler comes with an Intel mounting bracket pre-installed. You'll have to replace this with the included AM5 bracket to pair it with the AMD CPU. To remove the Intel bracket, simply twist the bracket and it should come right off. The overall installation is pretty easy and straightforward. However, if you are a beginner, it can be a little overwhelming since there are a lot of cables included for RGB and power. Fortunately, the manual offers detailed step-by-step instructions that you can reference for help. Furthermore, the cooler support includes Intel LGA 1700 and 1200, along with AMD AM5 and AM4. The NZXT Kraken 360 weighs around 1,560 grams in weight, which is a relatively normal range for AIO coolers. In addition, due to the dimensions of the radiator, you're going to need a full-sized case for this cooler. However, there are smaller radiator options available for compact cases as well. In summary, the NZXT Kraken 360 is a cooler with no compromises, giving you some of the best cooling performance with impressive overall build quality and aesthetics. There's no going wrong with this AIO from NZXT if you have the budget for it. To sum up, what I like is the superb cooling performance, the customizable LCD screen, the pre-applied thermal paste, and the braided nylon tubes. On the downside, it's a bit expensive. Ratings: Design and aesthetics, 9 out of 10. Cooling performance, 9.5 out of 10. Noise, 9 out of 10. Installation, 9 out of 10. Value for money, 8 out of 10. For an overall rating of 9 out of 10. There's plenty more to enhance your PC experience. Check out more of our videos filled with suggestions and reviews to help you get the most out of your setup.